Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3-inch-1 welding machine available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3-inch-1 welding machine, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. HZXVOGEN HVM 143-in-1 Semi-Automatic Inverter MIG Welding Machine. HZXVOGEN HVM 200 MIG welder supports flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, MMA, release gas hard conditions. Perfect for use with flux cord wire, for 0.030, 0.032, 0.035 flux cord wire, and compatible with 1.0 to 2.5 conventional electrodes. Good for welding metal parts up to 5.0 mm. The welding machine is designed as a single knob intelligent control system, coordinating the speed and current of the wire feeder. The precise digital display guides your welding work and provides a perfect weld. This MIG gasless welder machine will automatically control voltage and current to achieve a smooth arc by synergy function. Best ideal for welding beginner. The built-in overheating and overcurrent protection system and the fan cooling system will keep dust and dirt out, thus extending the life of the machine. The welder comes with 1-year warranty. If you're not satisfied with your welder, please contact us. Faulty welders can also be replaced within 60 days. Arrives 1 to 5 days after the order is placed. Welding material: iron, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, carbon steel, copper. This all-purpose multi-process welder handles flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, or stick welding. MMA/ARC mode fits rods E7018, E6013, E6011 meet your welding needs. Use Synergic adjustment control system to realize precise and stable wire feeding. Uniform adjustment, multifunctional integrated operation, easy for beginners to achieve welding project. LED display for process selection and advanced controls. Adopts the most advanced IGBT inverter technology with excellent arc stability. It only weighs 7.72 pounds, ideal for shop or field use. Widely used in interior decoration, DIY, repair, maintenance, metal fabrication, farm and road equipment. Built-in safety protection design, with overheating protection, overcurrent protection and overloading protection. Number 2. HZXVOGEN MIG200 3-in-1 non-gas semi-automatic welding machine. HZXVOGEN HVM 200 MIG welder supports flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, MMA, release gas hard conditions. Perfect for use with flux cord wire, for 0.030, 0.032, 0.035 flux cord wire, and compatible with 1.0 to 2.5 conventional electrodes. Good for welding metal parts up to 4.0 mm. The welding machine is designed as a single knob intelligent control system, coordinating the speed and current of the wire feeder. The precise digital display guides your welding work and provides a perfect weld. This MIG gasless welder machine will automatically control voltage and current to achieve a smooth arc by synergy function. Best ideal for welding beginner. The built-in overheating and overcurrent protection system and the fan cooling system will keep dust and dirt out, thus extending the life of the machine. The wire feed welder weighs only 3.7 kilograms. Size: 33 by 23 by 22 cm. The split torch is easy to set up and transport, allowing you to move around. What you get: 1x MIG torch, 1x ground clamp, 1x welding holder, 1 flux cord wire, 1x slag hammer, 2x tip nozzles, 1x instruction manual. The welder comes with 1-year warranty. If you're not satisfied with your welder, please contact us. Faulty welders can also be replaced within 60 days. Arrives 1 to 5 days after the order is placed. Number 3. HITBOX MIG Welding Machine Synergy HBM 1200. HITBOX 120A MIG welder has 3 functions of MIG, MMA, lift TIG, Work efficiency is 40% higher than traditional ARC molding machines. No need to punch and grind. HITBOX HBM 1200 MIG welder panel is easy to operate. This welder has power settings and adjustable wire feed speed. 2120A working current is suitable for 0.8 to 4.0 mm metal plate welding. HITBOX HBM 1200. The efficiency of gasless continuous wire welder 120A at 100%, 93A at 60%. The welding unit is equipped with a cool air radiator, overheat protection and VRD function. Insulation class, FA protection class, IP21, equipped with 0.6/0.8 mm threaded drive roller. Applicable wire diameter, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0 wire. Hint: install only 1 kg. Good helper for airless welding. MMA welding, 2.5 mm rod, 6013 can be used. Very good. Also 7018. Applicable profiles, carbon steel, stainless steel. If you have any problems using this welder, please feel free to contact us at the first time. Our 24-hour online customer service will help you deal with it. Just buy HITBOX machines with confidence. Number 4, WEP 948 to rework 3-in-1 BGA Welding Station. Operates on both AC 110 volts and 220 volts. Making it suitable for a variety of power sources. Automatic sleep mode and energy-saving design extend the life of the soldering station and reduce energy consumption. Precise digital temperature correction and dual CF display ensure accurate soldering and desoldering temperatures. Includes a soldering iron stand, cleaning sponge, and various tips for a complete soldering setup. Versatile 3-inch-1 soldering station with a hot air gun, soldering iron, and tin suction gun for comprehensive welding tasks. Number 5. PLASMARGON MIG200 welding machine 3-inch-1. Flux core wire, gasless welding. This welder can handle 2 pounds rolls of wire 0.8 mm tilde 1.0 mm flux core wire / with a maximum welding thickness of 3 mm, a variety of argon arc welding methods, spot welding and other methods. There is no requirement for the size of the tungsten needle, 1.6, 2.4, 3.2 and other diameters can be used. Lift TIG welding provide an easy arc start, stable current, minimum spatter, and good shaping. Does not require any gas, requires welding rod. The easiest way to solder is to use a non-technical and DIY soldering, depending on the welding effect. For MMA, it is capable of welding E6010, E6011, E7014, and E7018, 330 seconds -2.4 mm, 1/8 -3.2 mm, E6013, 1/16 -1.6 mm, 330 seconds -2.4 mm, 1/8 -3.2 mm. For lift TIG, it is capable of welding rod with thickness of 1/16 -1.6 mm, 330 seconds -2.4 mm. Current control, high quality, stable performance small sized, lightweight, easy to operate, economical, practical. The wire feed welder is capable of welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel, mild steel, stainless steel and cast iron. Only weighs 10.1 pounds, easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap included, very suitable for outdoor maintenance, farm, road equipment, and home DIY. Easy to adjust voltage and current, built-in anti-overheating device, properly relax the machine, and better protect the safety of welders. Contains all the necessary accessories, ready to be used. Whether you are a hobbyist, maker, small fabricator, or craftsman, choose the PLASMARGON MIG welder and explore your creativity.